This is the very first diamond painting kit that I purchased from Amazon, and it's a absolutely gorgeous hummingbird. And I started doing this project on the 29th of November, and I just went at it and I couldn't stop myself. And I was finished with it on November the 5th, but I am hooked on diamond painting now, and I'm going to show you that my little gorgeous hummingbird that I worked on. This is my gorgeous hummingbird, and it is absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to work on my next project, which I have ordered yesterday, and it should be coming on Saturday. And I will be doing some videos on diamond painting projects. Now that I'm hooked to this, there's no stopping me now. So this is my hummingbird, and I am looking forward to doing many more diamond paintings. I want to give a shout out to Shewanna Creative Circle. Shewanna is a very good artist. She does diamond painting, and she does journals. She does it all, including relaxing music. And she's a fantastic dancer as well. But yeah, I really appreciate you introducing me to the world of diamond painting. And I hope that we one day will be able to do some collaborations, because I am really excited about diamond painting, and you know how I feel about it, because we've had conversations about it. And I just want to give a big shout out to you. Thank you so much. And you can check out Shewanna's Creative Circle. I have her link down in the description area. And until the next video, blessings, y'all. Shewanna, you got me hooked.